Hello and welcome to an all-in cards box break, busting 2 boxes of 2013 Bowman, a draft for Lisa. Here comes box 1 and then box 2. Alrighty, here comes box number 1. Go through a lot of base. I see the refractor. Ooh, started off nicely. Here's a Ryan McCone refractor and a purple Andrew Knapp purple refractor auto. 10 of 10. Nice way to start off the break. Nice 10 of 10 auto. Great start right there. Go right to the... Ooh, now a Courtney Hawkins gold ice. Numbered 5 of 5. And a Trevor Williams refractor. What a box. This is just a preliminary break before Immaculates. There's another ice in there. Derek Panelia, John Denny refractor. Ivan Wilson refractor and a Jonathan Crawford base auto. Another ice, Michael Waka, Oswaldo Arca refractor. Machado refractor. We have a mini Segura and a Connor Oliver refractor. Then this is box 1. Patrick Murphy Bowman blue, Dominic Smith refractor. Colin Warren refractor. Alright, should be one more auto. Another Billy Hamilton mini, Tajana Walker refractor. Joey Gallo refractor and a Hunter Green base auto. That is all from box 1. And the last pack in box 1. A Dylan Bundy refractor and a Todd Helton reprint. Alright, let's go into box 2. Box 2. Alrighty. Machado ice. Tim Anderson refractor. Austin Meadows refractor. We have an Ian Clark refractor and a Aaron Blair blue refractor auto, number to 99. Noah Sondergaard refractor, Marco Gonzalez base auto. Javier Baez future, Jordan Austin refractor. Max Fried and a, who's that? DiMaggio. No, Rizzuto reprint. Moving right along, here's another ice. Dylan Bundy ice. Nathan Carnes refractor. Jose Fernandez refractor and Tyler Danish base auto. Trey Ball Affleck and a Jock Pedersen. Tom Wendell refractor. Tyler Dale Bowman blue, Casey Mesner refractor. And the last pack in box 2 of Jumbo. We have a Mike Trout franchise and Ian Stifler refractor. And there's our 2 boxes of Bowman Draft Jumbo for Lisa.